Okay, that's a great point. Nobody can guarantee that the company that we invest in will definitely become the Google or the Tesla or Amazon for tomorrow, but we got to try, right? Nobody 20, 30 years ago, who can guarantee that the Amazon of yesterday became the giant of today, right? So it is about, putting your bets selectively and cleverly. So let me give you an example. I have one stock that I like very much, Roku. Roku is a streaming hardware provider that basically embeds its product into companies that manufacture smart TVs, for instance, so as to make it easy for consumers to stream to various service, service platforms. So what I like about this is that means to say Roku already has a very huge addressable market base by tying up with all these key consumer appliances manufacturers, and they also potentially have a huge advertising revenue coming their way from all these streaming service providers. Okay, so that's number one. And number two, I also have some stakes in this company called Coinbase. Coinbase is basically a platform where you can buy and sell and trade in cryptocurrencies. So we know crypto is the next big thing, right? So rather than buying into the volatile Bitcoins or the Ethereums, so I'm just buying into the intermediary, so as to sort of manage my volatility risk a little bit. And the third stock that I have in my own portfolio is this company called Square. Square is a financial services and digital payments platform company that provides this important intermediary service between buyers and sellers, so as to facilitate all these transactions and trade to take place in the internet space. So these are the platforms that I think, importantly, they are appealing to me because what they have is a very good growth story today that can actually position themselves to become the Amazon potentially, or the Amazon or Google of tomorrow. I will look for companies that that meet certain criteria, like are they growing their revenues year on year? Are they demonstrating profitability? Or even if they're not, but do they actually have a strong growth story? So do they actually have a strong, compelling reason to invest in today, to be financial, to be sort of ready to reap the rewards for tomorrow? So that's one of my key criteria when evaluating these companies to invest in. And I would think that the likes of Roku today, yes, while they may not have demonstrated a strong profitability yet, but I am seeing that year on year, quarter on quarter, they have been growing their revenue. I am also seeing that they have consistently beaten their earnings over the past 5 quarters. So these are companies that sort of fit or check off my box, and I'm actually happily investing in them. Selling puts, so selling the promise that I will buy the stock if the stock price actually drops. So if the stock price actually drops, it means that I'm actually able to buy them at an even lower price than what is the market price today. Oh, definitely risky, because we're talking about high risk, high return kind of scenario on high growth stocks, as what I've mentioned, Roku, Coinbase, and Square. So as the saying goes, you gotta kiss 10 frogs in order to find the one prince. So it doesn't mean you invest in 10 high growth stocks, you definitely will have 10 Amazon type of companies in the future. It's also about taking risks, but taking risks in a manner where it's comfortable. It is smart for all of us.